Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and I am here with another nail design for you. This nail design is trending on Instagram, and I just wanted to simplify it for you. So without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and get into this video. So we're going to go ahead and get started by applying 2 coats of a black gel polish. Okay, so I just took that out of the lamp, and I'm just going to be removing the tacky layer, and then we're going to go ahead and get into our design. So we're just going to wipe this down. Okay, let that dry a little bit. And now I'm going to be taking a drop of this magnetic gel polish, and this is the color that I have, so this is what I'm going to be using, but you're more than welcome to use any color that you might like. So I just put a drop of that gel polish onto this dish, and I'm going to be taking this brush here to be outlining my cat eye. So I'm going to start at the middle of the nail, and I'm going to be creating my iris. So I'm just going to go ahead and create an oval. Just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and outline the rest of my eye. I'll let you watch how I do that. Okay guys, so I brought that out of the light, and I want you to see, I don't know if you can actually see the effect on the camera, but let me go ahead and add the top coat because I feel that that's gonna help you guys see the effect here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add the top coat, and I do have to say it looks really nice. Alright, let's see if you guys can actually see it now. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and create the other eye and then put them together so I can take a picture at the end of the video. But yeah, that would be it for this video. If you guys like it, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And again, I want to say that I do appreciate your support, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.